Hey folks, I have a beautiful tenor ukulele to show you today. This is 867. And the body is of some beautiful myrtle. Super curly and colorful with a beautiful pattern to it. It's actually an urban tree. This came from near Portland, planted as a decorative tree in someone's yard. And only a tiny bit of the log had this dark staining in it. It's probably from the minerals in the soil. It's hard to say exactly why most of the tree would be, pale like this, and the rest would be this look, but it's really special. And I have more of this myrtle, by the way. The neck is alder. That's a really common tree around here as well. And I have a couple beautiful knots in this neck that I really like. And then pistachio for the rest, for fretboard and head plate. Beautiful streak there. And the binding is all pistachio as well, multicolored binding. So the pistachio comes from California orchards. And this alder was a scrap from the carpenter ant stash. I'm not sure what it was originally cut for, but I've been liking alder lately for necks. Yeah, it really sings. Really proud of this one. And if I have more myrtle like this, so I'd like to make more with this tree. Just message me. Let's do it. Cheers.